will come back to help her dad. Today we're diving into the KGEN token, a cryptocurrency coin with some interesting features. KGEN boasts several key advantages and potential benefits for its users, and it's integrated across multiple blockchains, including BNB, BSC, and Aptos, giving it broad accessibility. We'll also touch on the role of Veri in the KGEN ecosystem. The main goal of this guide is to walk you through the process of how to buy KGEN. Let's dive into KGEN. First, we'll define exactly what the KGEN token is, giving you a clear understanding of its fundamental nature. Then, we'll explore its utility and purpose within its specific ecosystem, showing you how it's designed to function and add value. Next, we'll touch upon any AI capabilities it may possess, examining how artificial intelligence might be integrated into its operations or functionality. Finally, we'll highlight its unique selling proposition, or USP, pinpointing what sets KGEN apart from other tokens in the cryptocurrency landscape. Let's talk about KGEN tokenomics, which cover the essentials of how the KGEN token functions. We'll start by examining the total supply of KGEN to understand the overall quantity of tokens in existence. Then we'll break down the distribution of these tokens, including how they were allocated during the pre-sale, public sale, and to the team. We'll also cover any burning mechanisms in place that can reduce the supply over time. We'll clarify whether there are any transaction fees associated with KGEN. Finally, we will touch on address verifiable source data to confirm the validity and security of the token and its smart contract. Let's explore KGEN and its presence on the BNB, BSC, and Aptos blockchains. KGEN strategically utilizes these blockchains for their distinct advantages. Regarding the BNB chain, also known as BSC, it offers benefits like fast transaction speeds and lower fees, making it an attractive option. Shifting our attention to the Aptos blockchain, it brings to the table its innovative approach to scalability and security. Furthermore, we'll explore the interoperability between these blockchains if any connections are present. Finally, we'll briefly touch on smart contract audit information, if it's available, to better understand KGEN's commitment to security and transparency. REIT plays a crucial role within the KGEN ecosystem. It essentially serves as a verification and security mechanism directly connected to KGEN. Its function is to provide verification services, enhance the overall security of the KGEN network, and ensure the integrity of transactions. Ultimately, Veri benefits KGEN holders by adding an extra layer of trust and reliability to the entire system. This increased security and verification can lead to greater confidence in KGEN and its underlying technology. Currently, KGEN is not listed on Binance. However, if you're curious about what it might take for KGEN to be listed on Binance in the future, there are several steps typically involved, including meeting Binance listing requirements and demonstrating strong community support. In the meantime, you can find KGEN on alternative exchanges where it is currently available for trading. Let's talk about the KGEN TGE, or Token Generation event. We'll go over all the important details surrounding this event, including the initial price of the KGEN token. We'll also be sure to cover the date and time of the TG if that information is available. Finally, we'll look at any launchpad information associated with the KGEN token's initial release. Right, let's walk through how to buy KGEN tokens on mexc Global. First, you'll need to create an account. This involves a straightforward registration process, so just follow the steps provided by mexc. You'll also need to complete KYC verification, so have your required documents ready. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your account. mexc supports various deposit methods such as USDT and BNB, so choose the one that works best for you. Next, navigate to the KGEN/USDT trading pair on the exchange. Now it's time to place a buy order for KGEN. You have the option of choosing between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Once you've decided, confirm your purchase. Finally, you'll want to withdraw your KGEN tokens. Remember to select the correct network, such as BSC or Aptos, depending on your wallet and the blockchain you're using. Right, let's talk about buying KGEN using BNB. First, you'll primarily be using BNB to facilitate these transactions, so ensure you have some available. To begin, it's essential to set up a MetaMask wallet, which will act as your gateway to the decentralized world. Once MetaMask is installed, you'll need to connect it to the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, as KGEN likely operates on this network. With your wallet ready and connected, you can now head over to PancakeSwap or another decentralized exchange, DEX, that lists KGEN. When using a DEX, finding the correct KGEN contract address is crucial to avoid purchasing a fake token. Also, pay close attention to slippage tolerance settings, which you might need to adjust to ensure your transaction goes through, especially if there's high volatility or low liquidity. Finally, after confirming all the details, go ahead and complete the swap, and you'll have KGEN in your wallet. Let's explore how you might buy KGEN using the Aptos blockchain, if KGEN is indeed available there. First, you'll need to set up an Aptos-compatible wallet. Popular choices include Petra or Martian wallets. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it with Aptos tokens, which are the native currency of the Aptos blockchain. With Aptos in your wallet, you can then use a decentralized exchange, or DEX, on the Aptos blockchain to swap your Aptos for KGEN. Be sure to find the correct KGEN contract address on the Aptos blockchain to ensure you're trading for the right token. Finally, double-check all the details and confirm the transaction within your wallet to complete the swap. Considering KGEN, it's vital to remember the cryptocurrency market's inherent volatility, which can lead to significant price swings. You also need to be wary of potential scams and rug pulls that are unfortunately present in the crypto space. Thoroughly doing your own research, or DYOR, is absolutely crucial before investing in any cryptocurrency, including KGEN. Finally, keep in mind that this information is for educational purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad. So, just to recap, KGEN is a token with potential utility on the BNB Smart Chain and possibly the Aptos blockchain, listed on exchanges like mexc Global. However, and this is crucial, it's absolutely vital that you conduct your own thorough due diligence before considering any investment in KGEN or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. Make sure you research the project, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Take the time to research thoroughly before investing in KGEN.